Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library. Last week we started at the audience section and talked about if this particular video is for children. Now, when you're setting up your upload defaults, which we discussed in another video, you get to set this up the way it normally is. So mine are typically not for children. So I have it default at no, it's not made for kids. If it changes, I can change it per video. If you think it's always for kids, but one of your videos is not for kids, then you have the option of doing that as well. So you get to do it whichever way works, or you don't have to touch it at all. That's the whole point of having an upload default, is to not have to move that. All right, so then we're getting to the next section, which is about paid promotion. Some of these that are kind of new. I don't know when you're going to be looking at this, but at the time of this recording, these are some new inserts that they have here. And one is a paid promotion. If you have somebody who's sponsoring you, if they're doing any product placement, if you're doing any product endorsement, then this is the place where you check that off. They just want to know. If you want to know anything more about it, on how to disclose that with YouTube so that they know, you would just click here and it gives you all the instructions. Then we go to your altered content. Because of AI, this is a big one, especially lately, but anytime somebody's promoting a product or a service, something popular, and they want to use somebody's famous or somebody's words, they alter somebody's words, that's got to be disclosed, because it's starting to get to the point where people don't know what to believe anymore. So you just have to put it down there, yes or no. And if it is yes, it's going to automatically identify it in your description. So it's better to have a good reputation with YouTube than to just try to sneak it in. Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library, brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.